Good morning, children. This is Max with Abita. How are you all? Hope you are all safe and healthy at home. Yes, here in this video, we are going to see Term 1 7th Standard Lesson 5 Geometry, Exercise 5.3, 5.4. 5.5 will be in next video. Okay. Some of the learning objects are construction of perpendicular bisector, construction of angle bisector. Construction of special angles will be done in next video. Okay. So see exercise 5.3 straight away. In this we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. I am going to do one question, that is C I am going to do. The remaining A, B, D, E are homeworks. You try by listening to the C question now. Okay. See, I written all the details here. They are asking you to draw the line segment of the given length and construct a perpendicular bisector. This is the word to find out what to do. So they are asking you to do perpendicular bisector. They are asking you to construct perpendicular bisector to each line segment using scale and compass. Okay, we have to use only scale and compass to do this. So I written C question 5.6 centimeter. Perpendicular bisector means this 5.6 centimeter will be exactly divided into two equal length, and if you keep the protector on that part, on that position, you can see it will be 90 degree. That is called as perpendicular bisector. Okay. And I am taking the name as AB is equal to 5.6 centimeter. You also, for the remaining homework sums, the same name AB you take, because they are not given any name for that. Okay, so you can take as AB for all the sums. And rough figure I done. This is the way to do the rough figure. One small line you put, name it as AB like this, and write 5.6, and in middle you have to draw one line and name it as XY, and this this AO and OB will be in equal length, which means 5.6 divided by 2 is 2.8. No, so AO will be 2.8, OB will be 2.8. Like this you have to draw for the rough figure. Now I am going to construct main figure. Children listen, I am going to do 5.6. First I am drawing, I am keeping the point at 0 and exactly 5.64, 5.5, 5.6 is next small line, correct? Exactly if you keep, you can get exact answer. So this is 5.6. You keep it as A, B, 5.6. Children, in your classwork or in your exams, you have to do a rough figure, main figure, construction, everything in pencil only. For video purpose, I written the other things in sketch pen. Okay. So I drawn now. Now what you have to do is you have to take compass and listen carefully. I'm going to keep, see, you know how to take the compass. This is the way to take the compass. Okay. Metal end and this pencil end, no, both. It will be, a pencil end will be slightly greater than the metal end. Then only when you expand, it will be of same length. Okay. So I'm keeping the metal end at A. Okay. And you have to take approximately more than half, which means 3/4. Approximately by extending you take. Okay. After taking, no changes in it. So keep the metal end at A and by taking more than half, draw an arc up and down. You should not repeat, but for video purpose I repeat because it should be dark, no, that's why. With the same radius, I am not changed. So I am not changing the radius. With the same radius, with B as center, draw one arc above and below to cut the previous arcs. Okay. And now you name it as X and Y. Now you join by using long size scale as line, not a line segment, line by using dotted lines like this. Okay. And put arrow mark on both the side. So this line, this XY line cuts AB at O. Okay. Now you check with the thing. See here, exactly 2.8, and here also exactly 2.8. So you write it as 2.8 centimeter, 2.8 centimeter. After finishing only I am checking with the scale, no. So I used scale and compass to construct this perpendicular bisector. This is the way to do for the other sums also. You try, okay. See the construction. Draw a line segment AB is equal to 5.6 centimeter, which I drawn. Using compass with A as center and radius more than half of AB, draw two arcs above and below AB. I done know now. With the same radius and with B as center, draw two arcs above and below AB to meet the previous arcs at X and Y. Join X and Y, throw a line to meet AB at O. XY is the required perpendicular bisector of AB, and also AO is equal to OB is equal to 2.8 centimeter, which means half of the measures of the given measures. Okay, that's all the sum. See now exercise 5.4. Construct the following angles using protractor and draw a bisector to each of the following angle using ruler and compass. So here they are asking you to draw the angle by using protractor, and you have to bisect angle, which means it is called as angle bisector. Okay. So which means like perpendicular bisector, the given measures is equally divided into two. Likewise, the given angle will be splitted equally into two. 60 means 30, 30 it will split. 100 means 50, 50. 90 means 45, 45, like the remaining. Okay. So here I am going to do A and B, one acute angle and one obtuse angle. The remaining you have to do. This is 90 degree right angle. Okay. It will be like in L shape, and you have to split. Okay. So I will explain A and B now with the same, like the same you try for C, D, E as homework. Okay. See now the question I written 60 degree. For 60 degree I am going to do the rough figure. You just draw one small line like this. Okay, and keep the name as O, and this you put ray as A, and keep 90 degree correctly at O, and the line, pencil line should coincide correctly, and you have to see only the inner measures, because this arrow mark shows this 0 only, not this 0, no. So inner measures. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 is here. Okay. I am keeping the point there. I am not going to join that point. I am just joining like this. Okay. And you put it as 60 degree and you keep the name as B. Okay. It is going more, so I cut it off. But that length, that point only I am focusing. Okay. And here in middle you have to draw one line like this, and this to be splitted as 30, 30. Okay. So likewise we have to do for the main figure. Here I done only by using scale and pencil. Here I am going to use scale, compass, everything to do this. Okay. So listen, you just first draw one ray like this, any ray of your own length, and keep O, and this as A. Okay. Now take protractor. Exactly keep the 90 degree point at O, and the pencil line should coincide like this. Okay. And 60 degrees here. So I am keeping the point, and that point I am going to join now. See. Okay. And this is B, and this is 60 degree. I drawn by using protractor. Now by using compass I am going to split this into two angle bisector, right? So keep the metal end at O. Keep the metal end at O. And with any convenient radius, nearly half you take. Not more than half. Nearly half or less than half. Like that you take. I took nearly half. Okay. After taking, you just draw arc like this. Okay. Once again I am doing. Okay. I drawn. Now this arc meets OA at X, OB at Y. Now what you do is, again you take any convenient radius. See, you can take this, or otherwise you can extend like this little bit. And with X as center, one arc. and with Y as center, another arc, and this point is Z. Now what you do is you join OZ to form a ray OC by using dotted line, because this is the thing you found out. Okay, and this is C. Now you check with the protractor. This line shows exactly 30. See here, it's clearly shown. See, this line shows exactly 30 and this line shows exactly 60, which means what? The 60 is divided into 30. That's all the sum. And see the construction, what I done, only written it here. Okay, if you read you can understand. See, instead of 60 degree you have to put the whatever the question, no, that degree you have to, that angle you have to put, and here splitting you have to put correctly. That's it. Draw angle AOB is equal to 60 degree using protractor. I done it. With O as center and with any convenient radius, draw an arc to cut OA at X and OB at Y. With X and Y as centers with any convenient radius, draw arcs to meet at Z. Join OZ to form a ray OC. Now, OC is the required angle bisector of angle AOB, and also angle BOC is equal to angle AOC is equal to 30 degree. Understood? See here, the question is 100. So I drawn like this first, O, A, and keep the protractor and mark exactly 100. See, keeping the protractor is very important. Keep at O correctly, and the pencil line should coincide with the black line in the base. Okay, and then 100 is here. So keep a point here. And you draw. And this is 100 degree, correct? And this is B you put, and you are going to split here into half, and this is 50 and this will be 50. Okay, let's start the main figure. See, being it is obtuse, I'm just putting the ray little towards right. So O, A, keep the protractor at home, and exactly the coincide should happen, no? And then see 100 degree, mark it, remove, and join this point by using a scale to make a ray OB. Now angle AOB is nothing but 100 degree, correct? Now take compass with O as center with nearly half. Okay, nearly half. See, you cut like this. Okay, and this OA meeting is X and OB meeting is Y. Now you take X, Y, little more than that, or otherwise you take only XY. It's up to you. If you take only XY, the arc will be nearer. If you take little more, it will be up. That's all. So with X as center, one arc. After taking, don't change. Okay, when you drawn with X, then you should not change. So it is not cutting. So I'm just expanding this side. Okay. Now this point is Z. Join OZ to form a ray OC. That is our answer, no? Okay. Now this should show 50. See, I'm just checking. See 50 here. See 50, 100. Correct? Correct? Okay, that's all the sum. And this is 50 and this is also 50. So keep the name correctly and angles correctly, and construction like before. The only changes, instead of 60 here 100 and instead of 30 here 50. Okay, up to this exercise 5.3, 5.4 over. I'm not able to cover 5.5 in this video, being it is very long. So I will do exercise 5.5 exclusively in next video. Okay children, thank you.